You're welcome to FXpreneur Global Limited Daily Forex Market Analysis. This analysis covers between 8th of August to 12th of August. And don't forget to always have this at the back of your mind that building career in Forex trading starts with taking the decision to do all you can against all odds to transform your financial life by efficiently navigating the financial market like banks and other financial institutions through the training and mentorship of FXPG platform. And today we'll be looking at all the major pairs, including Gbpjpy, gold, US30, and Nasdaq. Then also, if you want to become part of our academy, always ensure you click on this link fxpreneurglobal.com.ng to log in your application to take our training from basic, intermediate, advanced, and mentorship. Then don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also comment. And also remember to turn on your notification button so you can be notified anytime we upload any content. Let's go straight up to what we have for today. We'll be looking at dollar index, and dollar index we'll be looking at we have seen dollar index performing just as we have analyzed. But then if you go to daily time frame, you will find out that there is a fair value gap at the upside. There's a fair value gap at the upside. We have seen dollar index give us this push to the downside. As you can see, we'll be having higher low, higher low. And this is a major structure which has not been taken away. This is a major structure, it has not been taken out. Now, that is to tell you that this particular uptrend is still possible. All right. But then we have been anticipating this push to the downside because on your BTMM, you will find out that this is actually on level 3 on daily. So we're expecting to see the second leg of this M here. So before they start coming down. So we want to see them trade back into this fair value gap, then before they start coming back. So I'll say expect a push to the upside before this breaking of this particular structure, because as you can see, this place, all right, has come into this level here, then pull back to this level. So, and there are a lot of liquidity resting here and resting here. So I would like to see them go in to take away this liquidity before they start coming to the downside. So let's go straight to 4 hours. In 4 hours also, you will see it clearly here that we'll have liquidity resting here and also we'll have liquidity resting here. Now, this particular liquidity here needs to be taken out. And this is our sell stop, buy stop liquidity. How about buy stop liquidity there? And that is this line here. So I want to see these guys do this as if they want to go to the downside to validate elite traders bias by coming to the downside. Then from there, I'll be expecting them to go to the upside here. So I want to see something like this happen. All right, so this is what I'll be expecting to see. This particular London section, I would like to see them coming down to this side. Then I would like to see them go up to this place here. Once they trade into this fair value gap, before I will be expecting to see, based on their reaction, if they're going to take away this high or they're going to come down this way. So this is what I'll be expecting on my dollar index. And let's go straight up to the next pair, which is Euro USD. As you can see, Euro USD has been performing just as expected, and we'll have those same thing here. All right, we'll have a lot of liquidity resting here, and here we'll have fair value gap here. It has traded into this particular fair value gap, but it fails to take away this low, because once it trade into this, it should take away this low. All right, so what we'll be expecting to see here is this. I will be expecting, because this guys has actually, they've actually hit this level for some time. I would like to see them succumb to the downside. All right, I want to see a pull to the downside, then take away this liquidity to the upside. That is what I'll be expecting to see from this pair. All right, so because this particular pair, as you can see, is still a downtrend. It's still a downtrend because it has not broken, they're not taking away the major structure. But here we know that structure here was broken. It hit this particular place was broken, hit this level, then come back to this level. And if you want, between here and here, we'll have a small, there's a small gap here that market has not filled. Let's go to 4 hours. This is what we'll have in 4 hours. Now, you can see it clearly that we'll have liquidity resting here and we'll have liquidity resting here. So I would like to see market come back to this level here, all right? Take away this liquidity before they go to the upside. This is what I would like to see. I would like to see them come to this level here, then find a way down to this level here, take away the liquidity that we'll have there, then find their way to the upside. That is what I will be expecting from this pair. So I would like to see them do exactly this. Sorry, this level, hit this level, then from here, come down to this level, then from here, I'll be expecting a push to the upside. That is what I'll be expecting from this pair. So I would like to see these guys hit this particular level because they've come into this particular fair value gap here. Yeah, they didn't take away this low. So I want to see them validate this particular move to this particular upside here. Tap into this level, then flush down to this level. Then from here, they can go to the upside. That is what I'll be expecting from this pair. And I'm going straight to GBpUSD. GBpUSD performed. Then it came down to this particular point. To this level, but it did not take away this low. Now, as you can see, the market is still maintaining higher highs and higher low, and this structure here was not taken out. It swept here, but it didn't take the particular structure out. So we still have this particular demand zone here intact. All right. So if it has broken it, would have changed our bias, as in if it has taken away this particular low here, would have changed our bias. But so long as this low is still intact, I'm talking about this low here, so long as it is still intact, so our move to the upside is still very possible. Let's go straight to daily and let's see what we're looking at on daily. Do it. Now we'll have break of market structure, but this high here is still not taken out. So what I will still be expecting, I will be expecting this particular push to the upside. This is what I'll be expecting from this particular pair. We'll have this break of market structure, all right, to this upside. We'll have pullback to this block. So I would like to see this particular move to this particular upside. That is what I'll be expecting. And when this particular thing has happened, based on what we'll have here, and if this level is taken out, then I can say this is fully validated for an uptrend. But for now, this is what I will be expecting. I'll be expecting this for now. I trade what I see and not what I feel. So here also, we'll have trend line liquidity resting here. So I would like these guys, as they're here now, I would like to see them find a way to the upside to take away this liquidity. That is what my bias on this pair is for now. And the next one is AUD USD. AUD USD has been performing as expected. As you can see, we'll have these like an inverse head and shoulder. All right, and I'm seeing this place here as a serious stop hunt area. Then it has broken this structure, put here, then came back to this particular level, traded into the particular fair value gap to flush this up, then up to this level. So what I'm expecting here is this. This is what we'll have here. It has broken this market structure. It came back to this level. Then I want to see the push to the upside. And here also we'll have fair value gap here. We'll have fair value gap here. Being that we'll have fair value gap here, I'll be expecting this market to find its way to this particular upside here, then from here, the downside. This is what I'll be expecting from this particular pair. On daily, we go to 4 hours, you see it clearly. So I still want to see a push to this particular upside. That is what I'll be expecting from this pair. We'll have a lot of liquidity resting below here. All right. We'll have a lot of liquidity resting below here. Here. But I would like to see a push to the upside, but there's a lot of liquidity resting below here. This one has been taken out before we see the particular move, and it traded into this. It needs to flush down below this if they had wanted to go down. But as we can see, it traded into this, and they continue to push to the upside. And now we'll have a kind of an FVG in between this and this. So market will possibly hit this level, then come down, trade into the fair value gap, and find the way to the upside. So this is what I'll be expecting from this particular pair. I will be throughout the week, I'll be expecting to see a kind of a push to the upside, then trade in. Once it trade into this level, I'll be expecting to see a flush down. But if I see an extended move that breaks this particular structure, then my up bias continues. So that is what I'll be expecting from this pair. And I'm going straight to USD card. USD card. USD card, we can see we'll have kind of a fair value gap. Market got manipulated into this particular fair value gap, as you can see. So once the manipulation hit this particular level, what happened? Market began to pull back. Let's go straight to a lower time frame, like 4 hours. This is what we'll have in 4 hours. This is total break of market structure. All right, traded into this and took away the particular liquidity and traded into the particular zone, they begin to find its way to the downside. Then I would like to see this market come back to this particular level here. Once it hits this zone, I'll be expecting a push to the upside. Trade into this particular fair value gap here, all right, and find its way to the downside. Once it's come into this particular level here, I will also, this is what I'll be expecting to see. We're expecting to see this. This is a zone I would like to see them come to. This is what I'll be expecting on this. I want, once they hit here, they will trade into fair value gap here, then flushed low again. That is what I would like to see, right? Because here we'll have a structural key level here. So I would like to see them trade back into this then before they come down. Then let's go to next one. And next one is USD CHF. USD CHF is performing well. So it came down to this particular level here. Let's go straight to daily time frame. In daily time frame, we can see there is liquidity resting here, all right, which market did not take out. So it got to this level and begin to come down, but never take away this particular level here. So what are we looking at? We'll have break of market structure. Break of market structure. All right. It got to the particular block and came back here. Then it pulled back to this particular level, creating double top here. All right. So, and this double top is nothing but liquidity zone. So we would like to see them go back to flush that double top. Now they're coming back here. Now where the market is now is at a particular block. There's a block here. So once this market come to this particular block here, I will expect to see a pull to the upside to take away this liquidity and head to this level. This is what I'll be expecting from this pair. Then this has performed exactly as analyzed. As you can see, it went back up, hit this particular level. There is a fair value gap here. So after getting to the particular level, I want to see them trade back down. But then as you can see, we'll have a fair value gap here. All right, so this bias is out. Now, based on this fair value gap that we'll have here, I would like to see market tap into this fair value gap and take away the upside, this buy side liquidity that is there. So I want to see the market do this, come back into fair value gap and take away this level. So this become our next target. This is what I'll be expecting from this pair. So the next one is we'll have Ncd Usd. Ncd USD has been so good. So as you can see, this is 4 hours. Let's go to daily chart so can understand what the market is doing. So here we'll have a block, then this break of market structure, it pull down here, break the market structure and pull back here. As you can see, there is no fair value gap here left. So this fair value gap has been closed already by this, and there is no gap here left. So let's go straight to 4 hours and see what we're looking at on 4 hours. Then we know that we have liquidity here, we'll have liquidity here, we'll have liquidity here, we'll have liquidity here. Then to the upside, what we're seeing now is we'll see market going to the upside. So here also we'll have another block here. So I would like to see this happen. I would like to see this happen. I want to see it come to this level, then come back to this level, then go up here. This is what I want to see on this pair. I want to see them come back, take away, when they tap into this level, they'll come back to come and take away liquidity that is resting here, resting here, resting here. There's a lot of liquidity for them here, all right? And some persons already have their trend line here also. I have some persons also that have their trend line here already. Retail trend line is here already. So I would like to see them tap to this level, then come back, take away this liquidity that we'll have here. All right, hit this level for us, then find the way to the upside. So this is what I'm expecting from this pair. And I'm going to gold. Gold has been on up move. I'm going to daily. As you can see, market traded into this particular zone, all right, and then came back down here. Also here, also we'll have daily fair value gap where market has not really come to, and we know market is going to come back to this particular level on this daily or this daily fair value gap here. We know market will come back to this level, but then what we want to see is we want to see this market go back to the upside, hit this particular level, and then come back down. Let's go straight to lower time frame, like 4 hours, to know what our bias is going to be. As you can see, market is breaking through to the upside, all right? And if you watch this particular 4 hours, you will see that we'll have a lot here in this particular 4 hours. If you watch, you see that we'll have a fair value gap here, all right? Then here also, let me take this, use the particular line, okay? Here also we'll have a fair value gap here. So what I want to see is in this 4 hour time frame, I want to see the market come into this fair value gap here. Then come down to the downside to this level. This is what I'll be expecting from this pair. Why am I expecting this? We'll have fair value gap here. So I want to see market come back to this level, then flush down to this level because we'll have liquidity also resting here. Some persons already have their trend line this way. So we would like to see a flush on this trend line. All right, what the trade into this level, that we want to see a flush on this trend line to the downside. This is what I'm expecting from this pair. And let's go straight to another one, and this is Nasdaq daily time frame. On daily time frame, as you can see, Nasdaq has traded into this fair value gap. I want to see them flush this particular level. So what am I expecting on Nasdaq? I'm still expecting an up move on this Nasdaq. Has come into this fair value gap, so I want to see an up move to this level on Nasdaq. Let's go to a lower time frame, like 4 hours. On 4 hours, this is what we have. So as you can see, there is no gap here that can serve as a trade, that when you get in there, it should have to come down. So this is what we actually expected, and that is what we'll get from this particular pair. So I'm taking this daily FVG out. All right, so I will be considering an up movement on Nasdaq. So we're going to US30, and US30 will have liquidity resting here, market traded into the particular fair value gap here, and then to flush the upside. So we still have liquidity resting here, which is also an indication that market is still going to go to the upside. So my bias is going to still be to the upside on this pair. I want to see movement to the upside. That is what I want to see on this pair. Okay, so this is where we draw the curtain for today's analysis, and you have a wonderful uh, trading week, and God bless you. Remember to subscribe and also share this channel to as many as those who are still having a challenge with their trading. So remember to share this site. All right, please share our channel with them so that they can also become part of this, and also uh, become sustainable or less consistent in making profit. Thank you very much, as I expect to see all of us performing well in this industry. God bless you.